Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in scale and style so every slide feels intentional. Set the master slide and layout variants first. This saves time and enforces consistency. Once done, pick 2 to 3 fonts and define sizes for title, subhead, and body to create visual hierarchy. Make a simple 3-color palette with 1 accent, then save it as the theme so colors apply uniformly. This step prevents redesign later and lets you focus on content rather than formatting. You now assemble slides with deliberate structure. Enable guides and snap to grid so spacing is consistent. Use icons, simplified diagrams, or charts instead of dense bullet text to make ideas digestible. This helps viewers scan quickly. Once content is placed, apply subtle animations sparingly, short durations, and single entrances to guide attention without distraction. Make sure to preview transitions in sequence so pacing flows. Adjusting timing by small increments creates You finish by polishing contrast, spacing, and accessibility. Verify color contrast, alt text, and readable sizes in slideshow view. Once satisfied, export a PDF for print and an MP4 for sharing. Embed fonts or convert text to outlines to prevent substitution on other machines. If animations or media fail, make a safe mode copy. Remove complex transitions, relink media, and replace problematic fonts. This quick-trimmed version ensures reliable playback and gives you a fallback to deliver confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.